Hey guys, welcome back to Mechanics Live. This is Art, and this video is going to be on the shifter lock. If you're experiencing a problem where you press the brake and you still can't get it out of gear, temporary fix for you to actually get the car out of park and drive home and maybe get a mobile mechanic, or take it to a shop to get it fixed. All you have to do is get a small stubby Phillips, and there is going to be a bolt right here on the back. All you gotta do is unscrew that and you pull the shifter, and as you can see, this is the button. You press the brake, it still doesn't press. So you have an inner lock shift solenoid, which is located right over here. So as you can see, this thing, this thing right here is your shift lock solenoid. So when you press that, you can press the button. So what happens, a lot of times these guys fail, and you have to replace it. But this video is not how to replace the shift lock solenoid, which I will be making this video because the customer called in and she wants to get the car back on the road, but she has another car in the front that's stuck and she couldn't get this car out of park. So this is what I'm gonna do. All you gotta do is, again, push that little lever right there, the little silver one, push it in with a long screwdriver, just like so, like this, and then once again you can press this button to get it out of park and you can drive home, whatever. Hope this video helps somebody out there that's stuck in a parking lot or anything like that. If it helped you, subscribe and like this video. Thank you, and I'll see you guys on the next one.